Imagine yourself floating in the vast, silent darkness, far from home, at the edge of interstellar space. Look back. That tiny, pale point of light? That's the sun, now just another star among billions. Here the warmth of our solar system is a faint memory, replaced by the cold, immense scale of the cosmos. This is where Voyager 1 lives, a lonely outpost, a testament to human curiosity. It sails through a region where the sun's influence fades, entering the unexplored territory of the Milky Way. The solar wind peters out here, replaced by cosmic rays from distant stars. Voyager 1 is our eyes and ears in this strange new land, the most distant object ever made by humans. It carries with it the story of who we are. From this vantage point, every person, every event, every moment in human history, all happened on that mote of dust suspended in a sunbeam. Voyager 1 gives us perspective, reminding us of our shared home and our place in the cosmos. The environment here is a near-perfect vacuum, unimaginably cold, yet filled with faint magnetic fields and ancient particles. Voyager 1 samples this realm, sending its findings back across the void. It is a pioneer, charting a course through the unknown, expanding the boundaries of our knowledge. Its journey reframes our existence, urging us to see the bigger picture. Voyager 1 is humanity's first direct messenger from the interstellar medium, a true explorer. Voyager 1 is more than a machine, it's an ambassador. Attached to its side is a golden record, a time capsule of Earth's sounds, images and greetings in 55 languages. It's a bottle cast into the cosmic ocean, a gesture of hope. Launched in 1977, Voyager 1's original mission was a grand tour of Jupiter and Saturn. It revealed Jupiter's storms, Saturn's rings, and volcanoes on Io, transforming our understanding of the outer solar system. After its planetary encounters, Voyager 1's journey continued, flung outward beyond the sun's grasp. Its mission evolved to find the boundary of our solar system, the heliopause. For decades, it faithfully reported back, inching closer to that invisible frontier. Voyager 1 became a symbol of endurance and human ingenuity. It carries our story, not just on the golden record, but in its very existence. It is a fragment of humanity, drifting between the stars. Long after we are gone, Voyager 1 will continue its silent journey, a ghost ship from a small blue world. It is a testament to a species that dared to look up and wonder. For decades, Voyager 1 was a model of reliability, surviving the harshest conditions of space. But in 2017, a problem emerged. The spacecraft struggled to keep its antenna pointed at Earth. Its voice, a faint whisper of data, was at risk of being lost forever. The culprit, tiny thrusters responsible for orientation, now degraded after 40 years of service. These attitude control thrusters were becoming weak, requiring longer bursts and wasting precious fuel. The link to Earth grew unstable. NASA's engineers faced a daunting challenge. Their patient was over 20 billion kilometers away. No mechanic could be sent. All they had was a faint stream of data. Each command was a gamble. Each telemetry report a moment of hope or anxiety. The slow degradation was a painful reminder of Voyager's age and distance. If the antenna lost its aim, the mission would end. The team felt a profound responsibility. They had to find a solution. Humanity's ambassador was in peril, and time was running out. The fate of our voice in the interstellar dark hung in the balance. Fixing a problem on Earth is hard. Doing it from 21 billion kilometers away is another matter entirely. The speed of light imposes a 19-hour delay for signals to reach Voyager 1, and another 19 for a reply. There's no real-time control. Every action must be planned with meticulous care. It's like playing chess by mail, each move taking days. Voyager's resources are limited. Its computer has less memory than a car key fob, no extra hardware, no modern software patches, just the original 1970s design. The spacecraft was built for a 10-year mission, yet it's lasted decades longer. The team must work within severe constraints, using only what was built into Voyager long ago. This is a puzzle of extraordinary difficulty, a testament to the realities of physics and engineering. The tyranny of distance can't be overcome by force. It demands patience, precision, and creativity. The solution had to be found within the machine itself. The team searched for a forgotten capability, a hidden trick that could save the mission. They needed to outthink the void. To solve a modern problem with 1970s technology, the engineers dug through Voyager's past. They searched old blueprints and documents looking for overlooked details. They discovered a set of thrusters, the TCM thrusters, unused for 37 years. These thrusters, once used for course corrections, had been dormant since the planetary flybys. The idea, could these be reactivated to take over the job of pointing the antenna? It was a risky, uncertain plan. No one knew if the thrusters would work after decades of silence. The team, a blend of veterans and new engineers, pieced together old programming and ran simulations. It was a beautiful act of collaboration and ingenuity, uniting generations to keep humanity's voice alive. Voyager 1's journey is more than science. It's a story that resonates deeply. This small spacecraft has become a symbol of our highest aspirations. It transformed our view of the gas giants and revealed the wonders of the outer solar system. Voyager 1 became our first probe to taste the interstellar wind. But its significance goes beyond data. The pale blue dot photograph taken in 1990 shows Earth as a tiny speck, a profound lesson in humility. Voyager is our proxy, venturing into the unknown on our behalf. Its survival feels like a victory for all humanity. When it faltered, engineers saw a friend in need, not just a machine. The effort to save it was driven by connection, duty, and hope. The plan was ready. Commands to awaken the dormant TCM thrusters were sent. For 19 hours the team waited, then another 19 for Voyager's reply. The control room was tense. Then, the signal arrived. The TCM thrusters had fired perfectly, orienting the spacecraft as needed. Relief and celebration swept through the team. Against all odds, they had breathed new life into Voyager 1. This was more than a technical fix. It was a triumph of human spirit and ingenuity. The engineers used creativity and respect for the past to solve the impossible. Voyager's life was extended, its mission of exploration continuing. Today it remains a spark of human consciousness in the cosmic dark. Voyager sails on, carrying its golden record, a message of hope from a restless species. Its journey reminds us to keep exploring, to keep dreaming. As long as its signal reaches us, Voyager 1 will inspire future generations to voyage into the stars.